Hello YouTube, this is a bike review and bike check of my Mongoose Mode 540. Start with the handlebars. On this, the left, it's a regular Mongoose grip. This is a DK Shuko grip that I got from Walmart for $10, I think. I spray painted that. Hyper rim that I spray painted blue. Hero recycled PC pedals. You can get them on Dancecom for like $16, I think. Everything else is original frame, chain, everything. And a review on this bike. Since the first video when I had this bike, I didn't have it for a long time. Now, this bike is great for a beginner. If you're a bit better than a beginner, I suggest that you wouldn't get this bike. I'm just a beginner, and this is my first week getting a 180 down, and I think it's a pretty good bike for a beginner. I got this from Walmart, but if you want to get a Mongoose bike that's not a Mode 720, 540, or 900, don't get it from Walmart. I suggest you get it from Sears, because that's way better. But yeah, and make sure it costs a bit from Sears, like at least probably $200. So that's all I have to say. Comment, rate, subscribe.